All right, I'm going to show you a few different things. We're going to look first at this creating content and our Classworks tab for Google Classroom. So we're going to look at due dates, creating the content, look at adding a due date, scheduling the assignment, leaving it as a saved draft, and reusing a post from another classroom. It's a lot of stuff, but it's all really quick. So you go from your stream to your classwork tab and click on the create button. You can choose if you want it to be an assignment, material, a quiz assignment, a question. The difference between these assignment options versus material is that material won't have a due date, whereas any of these assignments will have a due date. So let's do material first. So let's add material. This week we're getting used to this online learning thing. And so maybe you just want to put some material in that doesn't have a due date. Or maybe it's something that you're going to use on a regular basis. And so you just want them to have it there so they can come back to it. So this is actually something I put in mine this week, and we'll look at it every week, and it's called Tell Me Something Good, because we're not going to be able to see each other, right? So to have our circles. So in this description, that's what I'm going to say. We can't see each other, but we can still spread joy. So type into this document and tell me something good each week. Now I'm going to click add. I can add it or I can create it. I already have this created in my Google Drive, so I'm just going to add it. If I went to create, I would pick to create one of these different G Suite tools and create it. Like it'll pop it up in another window or another tab. But I already have mine created, so I'm going to go to add. And you can do from Google Drive, you can add a link, you can add a file, you can add a YouTube video. Mine is from my Google Drive, so I'm going to go to my Google Drive. And I kind of live out of my recent tab. It is this good things I want to add. Now, when you're adding these things, because I want my kids to be able to edit it, I need to make sure that the editing permissions is turned on here. So I'm going to open it up and come to my share button. And you're going to want to click advanced. And right here, demo class teachers, that's what we're in right now. And everyone can edit, so everyone should be able to edit it. Now, if for some reason the kids are asking you for permission because it's technology, it doesn't always work like we think it does, you can just click right in here and give the kids permission. So I just want to make sure that they're going to get in there, and I only have one kid in this class right now. So I'm going to put his name in here and share it just with him specifically, just to make sure. And I'm going to say done. So now that's there. And if I want to change this, I can change that. I can exit out of here. And it's for my demo class. This is the class that I'm in. I want to make sure I'm on the right class. And I want to give it to all of my students. Or I can, if there's just one, this is a great way of adding our accommodations for our students. I can take an assignment and tailor it to what my students' accommodations are and just give it to those students. Or if I have kids that need a higher push, just give it to those kids. So David's getting it. And I'm going to add a topic, which is going to be good things. And I'm going to post it. And that's it. It's right there. And that's it.